now come in a DIY drone box because 2018. The time has come for boring boxes that hold scrumptious chicken wings to transform into drones. In the latest marketing ploy to appear hip and tech-savvy, India's Kentucky Fried Chicken, KFC, announced it's introducing limited edition DIY drone boxes to hold their wings. No big deal. Just a normal 2018 thing. See also, learn how to use that new drone you got as a gift. The Kentucky Flying Object, or KFO as they're calling it, haha, can be created from select boxes of the chain's newly announced smoky grilled wings. There are two kinds of wings in the world. The ones you fly with, and the ones you relish. Want both? KFC asked in its tempting promo video. Lucky customers who receive the special boxes can look up instructions online, disassemble the box, and reassemble the pieces into a drone with Bluetooth connection. Your new toy then hooks up to your phone, which will act as a controller. Seems, simple? The most fly meal. Exclusive video on the KFO drone live now. #KFC #IGN Life. A post shared by IGN Network, @IGN, on Jan 23, 2018 at 6:22 a.m. PST. Though we've never heard of a chicken box turned drone, KFC is no stranger to releasing tasty innovations like bath bombs, Christmas ornaments, and even a smartphone. KFC India also created a chicken box that turned into a game controller once. Unfortunately, the most fly-me lever is only available on January 25th and 26th, so chicken and drone lovers in India better be ready to kick it into high gear to snag a box.